Every successful entrepreneur knows the power of a morning routine. It's not just about waking up early, it's about setting the tone for the day. Imagine starting with a few minutes of stretching, waking up your body and mind. Then, grab that journal. Write down your goals, your intentions, and maybe even a gratitude list. This simple act can shift your mindset and fuel your motivation. Next, a quick review of your to-do list can keep you focused. Prioritize tasks that align with your long-term vision. And don't forget to hydrate. A glass of water can kickstart your metabolism and clear your mind. Finally, take a moment for mindfulness, whether it's meditation or just a few deep breaths. This helps center your thoughts and prepares you to tackle challenges head-on. Remember, the way you start your morning can define your entire day. Embrace the power of your morning routine and watch your productivity soar.